I thought I would check out this cheap headset with microphone boom arm. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought this. It's by Acoustics, and it's a cheap headphone set here. And I just wanted something that I could potentially take with me on trips, use with my laptop. What's interesting about this is that it has this nylon braided cable, has a very long cable, has an inline volume slider right there, but most importantly, it's got a 3.5 millimeter jack on the end here. It looks like 4 pulls. I hope that works with my MacBook because I could actually get USB-C or a Thunderbolt port, but because the microphone and headphone adapter is 3.5 millimeter, I thought maybe I could just go super cheap. Now, these are on ear. They aren't super large, kind of a pleather-like material, pretty soft, and they do extend out, which is kind of interesting right there. It's not obvious that they do that, but they should get over my big head. Now, what's most important about this is that it has a microphone boom arm right here, and that is because you might use these for meetings or Zoom calls or work or recording a podcast episode. And so what you're hearing is probably going to be improved with the headphones, but how many times have I been on a meeting with people and the audio is just so tinny, or I'm trying to do an interview with them and I'm actually recording the meeting and their audio pickup is just so bad. So something like this might really allow you to level up. Now, I do have my MacBook Air M2 right here. And as you can see here, we have a 3.5 millimeter jack right on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and just push that in there. So now I'll record some audio on this MacBook Air and you can be the judge of the quality. All right, I am sitting here in front of my MacBook Air. I'm actually recording off the FaceTime camera on the computer, and I have gone ahead and selected the audio input as external microphone, so it doesn't label it anything. I don't think it can tell. There's not a lot of data being provided through a 3.5 millimeter jack there, but it does seem to be picking up my voice here. You'll be the judge of how good you think the audio is. I'm sure if you were recording something to use later, you could do some audio manipulation to improve it. But if you were sitting around having a Zoom meeting, having a Teams meeting, doing a live stream, doing a web call, those types of things, and using this, it might be an improvement over the built-in microphone that you have on your laptop. Now, on the MacBook Air, it's very good, but to me, I always feel like having a dedicated microphone is always better. So, like I said, this whole rig here was extremely cheap. If you want to pick up a headset with a microphone boom that has a 3.5 millimeter jack that you can use anywhere, take along with you on your road trips, use when you are working remotely, and not have to pay a king's ransom for it, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.